As Superstore returns for a third season, the cast says, get ready for some super laughs.
I've been doing a lot of soul searching since the tornado.
Think of it as a big box of comedy.
Or that...
NBC's Superstore has been ringing up laughs for the past 2 seasons.
Vest, tag, produce, go!
Now the workers of Cloud9 are back and more beleaguered than ever.
Anyone else have thoughts on that?
But the cast that plays a dysfunctional workforce on TV is really more like a happily dysfunctional family in real life.
Sorry.
We all really love and enjoy working with each other, and it's just felt kind of too easy. Like, oh, are we forgetting something? There's no stress.
It's like we were a band that's been on the road together for a while.
Yeah.
So now when she lays down a crazy-ass bass lick, I'm right there on the Moog synthesizer, waiting to pick it up.
Absolutely. Boom, boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom.
Yeah.
Lauren Ash plays assistant manager Dina.
Wait, he couldn't be more clear.
And Mark McKinney is Glenn, the store manager with the nervous voice.
What's wrong with my voice?
Go high.
Hi.
High? Like way up here.
Like way up here.
There you go.
Kind of
and
like
then,
this?
And now get a little bit upset.
I'm just a little upset all the time.
It's complicated, isn't it?
That's really impressive.
Thank you.
Good.
Lauren and Mark grew up in the funniest nation on earth, Canada.
I reject your compliment on behalf of Canadians.
That's a very Canadian
And I'm
stance.
sorry I was loud.
You can't live in those temperatures and not have, be able to laugh about it.
Yeah, what are we gonna commit suicide like the Finns?
Pull up the statistics, though, it's sad.
Fellow cast member Nico Santos, who stars as store associate Mateo, is from the Philippines by way of Portland.
I worked for a summer at Burgerville in Gresham.
Just before he started breaking barriers as a gay Asian actor in prime time, Nico was seating diners.
Table for 2 right this way.
As for all this one big happy family talk, co-star Ben Feldman says it's nonsense.
This cast is a bunch of monsters, and working with them is garbage. It's torturous. That's a joke, but also, yes, they do harass me constantly about literally everything.
Bother Ben Feldman?
Yeah, just a light abuse of Ben Feldman.
See, I told you the cast of Superstore is super dysfunctional. Luckily for us, they also happen to be super funny.
Everyone gets along in the show. We're actually all going to see Hamilton. Are we going to see Hamilton?
We are all going to.
We're going to see Hamilton!
Yes, yes.
What?